how to create a new component in Zesty when you create a new content model without running the sync command. You can run the sync command, but if you don't have that set up, this is how you'd connect it. So I created a new model called brand. It's a single page model. These are the fields I have, and I'm going to click to edit. I already started filling in. This is my brand guidelines page. So this is a new page. So where we want to start is we want to get the URL. So depending on what mode you're in, you could be in non-duo mode. There's going to be a preview link over to the right. If you're in duo mode, the preview link will be part of this experience here. That's the first thing I want to do is click this preview link. This is going to give me the URL, and I can get rid of the query string and about/brand. So that's the new path to my URL. Now I'm going to navigate over to my local host, and I just want to access brand, the about/brand page. So this should create an error for me because it's missing a component. So I need to create a new component. How do I know what I'm going to name that? Come back over the web engine, and you can do $to JSON. This is going to give you the exact data and content JSON that's fed into the NextJS application for this page. And what this is going to look for is a component named brand, and how I know that's, I just go underneath meta at the bottom, model alternative name, it's brand. So that's the name I want, and that's the name of the component that I need to label. So what Zesty does when you run sync is it looks into your source folder. Ours is actually source. A lot of people just use root, which is fine, but ours is source views, and it creates a views Zesty folder, and it creates the component with inside that Zesty folder. So I'm going to create a new component called brand.js, and I'll just write function brand and have it return just hello brand, and then I need to export that. And what I need to feed this, I need to feed it, it needs to take a disassociated content there. And then I can test that by just saying content.title, because I have a field named title, I believe. I can check over here, title. So I'm going to save that. So I'm going to refresh, and it's still going to be broken. So it needs to be included in the index. So Zesty does a catch-all include by doing star, which looks for an index.js. So in your Zesty views Zesty folder, you're going to look for your index.js, and you're going to add a line to import brand from brand, and I have this empty space here, which is great. I'll just take advantage of this. Save. So now I'm importing brand and exporting brand, so that the catch-all will have access to it. So I refresh, and this should be loading my component now, and it is. It says hello brand, brand logo and guidelines, which is my H1, which is right here. So now from here, I just start working in my component as I would. But that's how you create a component without running npm run sync. If you are doing a custom build, that may be useful for you. All right, take care. Have a good one.